Hey guys, so it's another day and we are heading to work again. By the way, if you're new to this channel, my name is Pia. I used to be a flight attendant for over 10 years in the Middle East. And now I am a retired OFW as well, back here in the Philippines doing a small poultry business. And right now we are on our way to the farm. As you all can see, it is already raining and it's a bit windy outside, so our view here at the farm is really amazing, as you all can see, though it's raining a bit. But I love the view here. As you all can see, I think you would also agree with me. And I'll be going inside the farmhouse first before I'm gonna go head to the poultry house. We actually just came here to provide the purga, or the anti-parasitic medicine to our boys, because tomorrow is the schedule for the chicken to have that medicine, because we are changing feeds. So this is our view from our farmhouse. It's a very small garden, and my husband is also helping the boys carry on the wheel of the truck, because the truck is coming as well from another province. No matter how busy we are, and every time we come here at the farm, I always make sure that I visit at least a few minutes here at the poultry building to see how the chickens are doing. By the way, we do have 1,400 heads of layered chicken. If you're not sure what is layered, it is the chicken that provides eggs. And so one of our boys is also cleaning the cage, because sometimes the eggs get stuck inside the cage and the chicken actually breaks them. So when I go inside the poultry building, I always make sure that I check them one by one and see if they're in good condition, as well as I check the sick ones and see if they're eating really well, and that if there's some chicken that needs attention. Here, it took me only about 10 minutes to just make my rounds. It's like I am a doctor, so I'm making rounds here every time, and then afterwards I go straight away back. Hey guys, you know what? The weather is super duper nice because it's raining. I like it when it rains here, but not so much, okay? I don't have my microphone here, so I hope you guys could hear me. Actually, we just arrived. I just finished my monitoring of our layered chicken. So after checking the farm, we went straight away back to our next agenda for today. So we are going to send these eggs, as you all can see. We're going to deliver that to our repeat buyers, or our suke. And as you all can see, the rain is actually very strong. Guys, ang daming ulan dito. Yes, I'm talking in Tagalog na ha. I hope I'll be able to put a subtitle for this. So, ang daming ulan dito sa Ang hirap, day. Hoy, lisod kayo mag-Tagalog ba? So magpinisaya na lang kaya ako. I think mas sayon kayo siya i-translate. So sige gaulan diri karon. Net actually sige, pero mga 30 minutes or 1 hour na ni yun ani kapusog ang ulan ba. And we are just waiting here. Actually, yung husband ko is pumunta lang sa junk shop to buy steel ba yan? So dumating na yung truck namin, tapos yun, ipaparada muna namin today, because tomorrow meron na naman kaming biyahe. So galing Surigao yung truck namin, pinull out na namin kasi medyo maulan na doon. there is rain in Surigao, wala ding biyahe. So, better pull it out na lang kasi napaka-gastos. But anyway, probably I'll be switching my language from Tagalog to Bisaya to English. Mas komportable kasi ako, guys, either Bisaya na lang or English. Unfortunately, my husband didn't get any steel bar from the junk shop, so we went straight away back to deliver the eggs and as well as check our truck. So it arrived already and we instructed the driver to go straight away to the repair shop for the wheels to be changed. And every time we deliver eggs, we make sure that we give them receipts. So this is a delivery receipt that we give to our customer and then they pay us the money after the delivery. So our truck has finally arrived from Surigao. It's another province here in the Philippines, and it looks really very dirty. You can't even say what color it is. This one was the original color of our truck was white, like literally white, but this is how it looks now after about 7 months in Surigao. Yan, kailangan tayong kumita ng pera dahil medyo marami tayong expenses ngayon. So it's still raining here. It is a monsoon season here in the Philippines now, so people here already got used to the weather. So if you are a foreigner and wants to, you know, retire here in the Philippines, be ready with typhoons and, you know, storms. It's very normal here in the Philippines. But of course, you always hope for a weather that is not so strong. Pero ganun talagang buhay dito eh. That is why I think tayo mga Pinoy, known tayo sa pagiging resilient. Sana hindi ako magkakamali ng pag-translate ng mga words ko nito. Pero to be really honest, guys, the reason why I really wanted to speak in English dahil nahihirapan talaga ako mag-Tagalog. Parang bumabaliktad yung dila ko. So, I'd rather speak Bisaya, to be honest. But anyway, we are just waiting for the truck. I don't know, they're replacing the wheels so that it will be ready for tomorrow's trip. So, ganun talagang buhay. Kailangan natin ng kumayod habang bata pa tayo. This is just one of the most ordinary days that we experience every single day. This one is a very simple bonding session, but one day we'll go back to this time and realize that this is actually life. It was already sunset when they finished fixing the wheels of the truck, and now we are heading to our next destination, which is sending off the truck to the parking space. It's going to be a bit of a ride, but I want you to see how beautiful sunset here. And that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed the vlog for today, and I shall see you again next time. Bye for now.